Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Friday, June the 25th, 2010. Let's have a look at the charts like we do every night. There's a free alert for you. Okay, every night you can, if you have a question on a stock or an ETF that you want us to look at, or even a market average, you can post a comment to our video or drop it in our message form on our free website, and we will look at it for you and tell you what we think in our own opinion. And basically, somebody asked us repeatedly about FAZ, ticker symbol FAZ, and it's a bear ETF on the financials. And this is getting to be a routine situation, so let's have a look at this right quick. First off, whenever I look at any chart that I want to go long, and in this one you'd be looking to go long somewhere, so I want to find two main things. Number one, it's got to be in an uptrend. This is obviously a downtrend, and then we had a bounce. Okay, that's good. All right, and she pulled back to here, and you could say, all right, now you've got yourself a little uptrend, right? Okay, that would work. You could do that. In this particular case, number one thing I want to see is good, strong buy volume behind it. You had that. Nice pullback, and I want to find a hammer formation, and this would have worked just fine for me with a stop right below the previous low. As long as she's not making new lows, it's an okay opportunity. So that would have worked out for you. You also could have used this one here as a buy opportunity. You had good buy volume behind this, a nice pullback, hammer formation. Yeah, it makes sense right there as well. And then you had a nice big move up here, inverted hammer telling you to get out. And now you pull back down here and you don't have a hammer formation. You don't have volume behind it, so I wouldn't touch it at all. I'd just leave it be. Okay, that's just how I would play that personally. All right, that's my opinion. You asked for it, you got it. Someone else asked us about ticker symbol DRV. It's another ETF. It's a real estate bear play, and if you go long this, your bet in real estate is going to do bad. And basically, they're got most of the idea right. They just made a few mistakes here. Right here, you'll notice you got good buy volume. I like that. And thus far, you had new lows, new lows, new lows. This bounces it back up here. Don't want to see a new low on the pullback, but we got one. So you leave it alone. You'll also notice there's no hammer formation here. Then she bounces back up here again on a nice big buy volume move. And back down here, we get the quasi hammer formation, but no buy volume. So I would leave it alone. Wouldn't get an opportunity to get into this, though somebody could say you've got a little bit of an uptrend developing right here, but it doesn't get confirmed by an oversold slow stotch signal, so I never would have touched it. And again, there's no volume behind that, so bounces a small bounce up here, you get a sell signal right there, down she goes again. Now you got the oversold slow stotch, no hammer formation, no volume. I would leave it alone. And you'll also notice, dun da da, new low. Well, if you got new lows, she's still in a downtrend, so I would not be trying to play this guy. Plain and simple. Okay, now let's look at what I would be playing. Okay, today's alert for you is ticker symbol ALTE, Altera Capital Holdings Ltd. And we've got ourselves a lot of negative signs here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 inverted hammers. Wow, I don't think I've ever really noticed an opportunity like that before. I mean, I've seen 3 and like that, and it's very bearish, but 4 in a row, that's substantial. And lower high right here compared to here, and you'll notice we overbought this slow stotch, so you're gonna have to short that guy. Yeah, sorry, buddy. Entry point at 1908 or higher if at all possible. 10% stop. So just put a line right there. You can set it right there wherever you enter it, 10% above your entry point. And you've got, let's see, what we got down here. Large sell volume right here as well. And like I said before, we're entering a downtrend. Low point, lower low. Each one of these consecutively lower than the previous one. And she's going to have to pull back down here. So you have an easy trade to exit at the middle Bollinger Band line if you're a very short-term trader. You could also exit the next time the slow stotch pulls down and hits the 20 line. Okay, different method you could use. What I would do is once she had pulled down and hit my target, whether you're using the 20 line or the middle Bollinger Band line, whatever she does, I would take my stop loss limit, lower it to lock in some gain, and then let her run, hopefully lower. I believe you got a gap fill here that could fill as well, so keep an eye on that. Another method to exit would be just the next time the price touches the lower Bollinger Band line, whenever that happens again, okay? That would be my methodology right there. Yes, 10% stop, okay, awesome. Excellent. Everything's copacetic. Yes, it is. If you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, it's right there. 100% free. All we ask in return is you refer a friend. That's awesome. Great analysis, great stock picks, charts, all kinds of stuff there. And yeah, we'd appreciate that. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and go enjoy your weekend. Seriously, stop watching these videos. Here, look at our disclaimer. Enjoy your weekend. God bless. Be careful. I'll see you on Monday.